One of the saddest days today. The greatest scientist, physicist, cosmologist of the times, Mr. Steve Hawkins, has passed away, died. He was born in 1942 and he died in 2018. It's very sad. My salutation to this great soul, to this great physicist, and a great person who lived this earth in the 21st, 20th and 21st century. He rightly said that the quietest people have the loudest minds. The quietest people have the loudest mind. And you just see that his inability, he has overcome his inability and defied death. At 21 years, he was told that you are having just 2.5 years to live on. And then he died in 76 years. He lived on to see 76 years. At 21 age, he was told that you are having just 2.5 years to live. That is Steve Hawkins. That is Steve Hawking. That is the will to live on. That is the grit. Because he told that never give up in life. Never give up in life. Never give up in life. And that he has proved. He has rightly proved. And the greatest, he also told that the greatest enemy of knowledge, the greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. Is not ignorance. The greatest enemy of knowledge is illusion. Illusion is the greatest enemy of knowledge. Don't have an illusioned knowledge. Have clarity of purpose, clarity of mind, and clarity of thought, and clarity of action. That is what exactly Stephen Hawking stood for. My salutations. God be with you. Peace be upon you. Rest in peace. And rest in peace. Rest in peace. Steve Hawking. You have contributed immensely to the cosmology, the physicist of the times, and of course a great ambassador of science. Thank you very much. God bless your soul, Steve Hawkins. From India, 1.3 billion Indians pray for your soul and peace. Thank you.